Good morning, children. Today we will learn about even and odd numbers. Here we have one shoe. We call it as a single shoe. Here we have two shoes. We call these as pair of shoes. Here we have one sock. It means it is a single sock. Here we have two socks. We call these as a pair of socks. Two things make one pair. Dear students, can you tell some more examples like shoes and socks? See here. A pair of gloves, a pair of wheels, pair of earrings, pair of boots, pair of shoelaces, and a pair of eyes. These all are pairs. Dear students, now let's understand about even numbers. Even numbers are those which can be grouped into pairs. Here we have 4 balls. Can you make a pair of these? Yes. One pair, two pair. We can make a pair of these 4 balls. So here we have 2 pairs of balls. So 4 is the even number. Now here we have 6 parrots. Can you make a pair of these again? Yes. One pair, two pair, three pairs. Here we can make 3 pairs of parrots. So 6 is also even number because here we can make a pairs and nothing is left over. Dear students, now let's understand about odd numbers. When we group things into pairs, one is left over. Here we have one bird. Can you make a pair of this? No, because to make a pair we need two things. Here it is only one bird. So 1 is odd number. Next, here we have 3 birds. Can you make a pair here? Yes, you can make one pair. But one parrot is left over. So 3 is odd number because one parrot is left over after making a pair. Understood, children? Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The numbers which end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are even numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These all are odd numbers. The numbers which end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are odd numbers because here after making a pair one is left over. So we call these all numbers are odd numbers. Understood, children? Dear students, now let's take some examples. Find out whether the given numbers are even or odd. First one, 23. Look at the table. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, those are called even numbers. If the number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, those are called odd numbers. Here it is a 23. To find out even or odd, always we need to check ones place of the given number. Here it is 3. So let's draw 3 balls. Can you make a pair of these? Yes, we can make only one pair, but one ball is left over. Look at the table. In the table, 3 is odd number. So 23 is odd number. Let's take one more example. 12. Here this number ends with 2, means 2 is in ones place. Let's draw two balls. Can you make a pair of these? Yes, you can make a pair and nothing is left over. So look at the table, 2 is even number. Therefore 12 is a even number. Understood, children? Dear children, let's take some more examples. Third one, 17. Again look at the table. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, those are called even numbers. If the number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, those are called odd numbers. In the 17, the number ends with 7. So dear children, look at the table. 7 is odd number. So 17 is odd number. Next example. Here it is 510. Here number ends with 0. Look at the table. 0 is even number. So 510 is even number. In the next example, number ends with 1. So look at the table, children. 1 is odd number. So 231 is also odd number. In the next example, it is 614. Here number ends with 4. So look at the table. 4 is even number. So 614 is also even number. Dear students, now it's a practice time. So take a book and pencil. Find out whether the given numbers are even or odd. One has been done for you. In the first example, here it is 34. Here number ends with 4. So 4 is even number. So 34 is also even number. In the second example, it is 267. Here number ends with 7. 7 is odd number. So 267 is odd number. Like this, write the below answers and later send photos. I will check the answers. Thank you.